For this video, I will discuss how to find equation of the line given 2 points in number 1, slope-intercept form and in standard form. Problem 1, find the equation of the line and consider the line that passes through the points -1 and -2 and 3 and 4. First to do is assign the first point as x sub 1 and y sub 1 and the second point be x sub 2 and y sub 2. It means that x sub 1 is -1, x sub 2 is 3, y sub 1 is equal to -2, and y sub 2 equals 4. Next, get the slope of the line using the formula m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. By substitution, y sub 2 equals 4 minus y sub 1 equals -2 all over x sub 2 equals 3 minus x sub 1 equals -1. Simplify the numerator for minus -2. Negative times -2 is plus or positive, therefore 4 plus 2 equals 6. Same to do on its denominator. Negative times negative is positive, so 3 plus 1 equals 4. Initially, the slope is 6 over 4 that can be further simplified by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 2. Continue, 6 divided by 2 is 3 over 4 divided by 2 is 2. So therefore, the slope for this problem is 3 over 2. Since we have now the slope, we will use the slope point formula. Y minus y sub 1 equals m quantity x minus x sub 1. For this, we need the value of the slope, which is 3 over 2, and the values we assigned as x sub 1 and y sub 1. And they are -1 and -2 respectively. Again, by substitution, y minus y sub 1, which is -2, equals m, which is 3 over 2, quantity x minus x sub 1, which is -1. Proceed, y minus -2 is equal to y plus 2, x minus -1 is equal to x plus 1. Next, remove the denominator 2 by multiplying both sides by 2. 2 times y equals 2y, 2 times 2 equals 4. On the right side, 2 will be cancelled. 3 times x equals 3x, 3 times 1 equals 3. On this part, which is 2y plus 4 equals 3x plus 3, will be written in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. By that, positive 4 will be transposed to the right, that will become -4. Then simplify 3 minus 4, which is equal to -1. To remove 2 and y become an independent, divide both sides of the equation by 2. 2y divided by 2 is y, 3x over 2 is 3 over 2x, and -1 over 2 is -1/2. Finally, y equals 3 over 2x minus 1/2 is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through the given points -1 and -2 and 3 and 4 respectively. For our problem 2, write the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that passes through the points 5 and 4 and -1 and 6. As usual, let us assign 5 and 4 as x sub 1 and y sub 1, and -1 and 6 as x sub 2 and y sub 2. Again, x sub 1 equals 5, x sub 2 is -1, y sub 1 equals 4, and y sub 2 equals 6. Going on to the formula of slope, which is m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. By substitution, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 equals 6 minus 4 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 equals -1 minus 5. Simplifying the numerator, 6 minus 4 is 2. Simplifying the denominator, negative 1 minus 5 equals negative 6. Again, 2 over negative 6 can be further simplified by dividing 2 both the numerator and denominator. 2 divided by 2 is 1, negative 6 divided by 2 is 3. It means that the slope of this problem is negative 1/3. Since we have the slope which is negative 1/3, proceed to the slope point formula, which is y minus y sub 1 equals m quantity x minus x sub 1. To further solve, use the value of the slope which is negative 1/3 and the x sub 1 and y sub 1 we assigned, which are 5 and 4. To proceed by substitution, y minus y sub 1 equals y minus 4, m equals negative 1/3 quantity x minus x sub 1, which is x minus 5. To remove the denominator 3, multiply both sides of the equation by 3. 3 times y equals 3y, 3 times negative 4 equals negative 12. Next, 3 is cancelled, negative 1 times x is negative x, negative 1 times negative 5 is plus 5. Again, the slope-intercept form is equal to y is equal to mx plus b. Therefore, negative 12 will be transposed to the right, will become positive 12. Simplify or add 5 plus 12 equals 17. To remove 3 from y, divide both sides of the equations by 3. 3y divided by 3 is y, negative x divided by 3 is negative 1/3 x, 17 divided by 3 is plus 17 over 3. Finally, y equals negative 1/3 x plus 17 over 3 is the equation of the line in its slope-intercept form that passes through 5 and 4 and negative 1 and 6. Third problem in this video, write the equation of the line in standard form that passes through negative 2 and 1 and 0 and 5. We have the same process, but on the last part, we have some quite difference because it is now on standard form. As usual, let us assign the first point as x sub 1 and y sub 1, the second point as x sub 2 and y sub 2. Then, let us start again on the formula of getting the slope. M is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. By substitution, y sub 2 is equal to negative 5 minus 1 all over x sub 2 is 0 minus x sub 1 is negative 2. Continue. Negative 5 minus 1, same sign, so we have negative 6 all over 0 minus negative 2. Negative times negative is plus, so 0 plus 2 is 2. By simplifying them, divide to both sides. Okay, not both sides. Numerator and denominator. Negative 6 divided by 2 is equal to negative 3 over 1, or simply the slope is 3. Since we are looking for the equation, again, we are going to the slope point formula. So the formula is y minus y sub 1 equals m quantity x minus x sub 1. So we have y minus y sub 1 is 1 is equal to m, or the slope is negative 3, x minus x sub 1 is negative 2. So continue, y minus 1 is equal to negative 3, negative times negative is positive 2. Continue to remove the parentheses, y minus 1 is equal to negative 3 times x is negative 3x, negative 3 times 2 is minus 6. Then, since it is a standard form, the standard form of a linear equation is ax plus by equals C. So therefore, x is the first one. So what we will do is we will transpose x from negative. It will become positive 3x. Then plus y equals negative 6. 1 will be transposed to the right. It will become positive. So we have 3x plus y equals negative 5. And this is now the equation of the line in standard form that passes through negative 2 and negative 5. Or we can do in other way using the one-step solution. The formula is y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiply to x minus x sub 1. So y minus 1 is equal to negative 5 minus 1 all over 0 minus negative 2 multiply to x minus negative 2. Y minus 1 is equal to negative 6 all over 0 plus 2 is 2 times x plus 2. Negative times negative is positive. Y minus 1, since negative 6 over 2 is negative 3, multiply to x plus 2. So we have y minus 1, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Then, since we are looking for the standard form ax plus by equals c, so what we will do is we will first choice x. Negative 3x will be transposed to the left, will become positive 3x. Then plus y equals negative 6. 1 will be transposed to the right, will become positive 1. So we have 3x plus y equals negative 5. If you will notice, we have the same result of the first. For me, this is double check just because this is the easier one rather than the first step. Fourth and last problem for this video, write the equation of the line in standard form that passes through negative 2 and negative 6 and 1 and 2. As usual, let us assign the first point as x sub 1 and y sub 1, the second point as x sub 2 and y sub 2. Then substitute that values on each formula. M is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y sub 2 is 2 minus negative 6 is y sub 1 all over x sub 2 is 1 minus negative 2 equals 2 negative times negative is positive, so 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. The same, positive 1 plus 2 is 3. So in this problem, the slope is 8 over 3. Since we are looking for the standard form equation of the line, use again the point slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m quantity x minus x sub 1. Y minus y sub 1 assigned is negative 6 is equal to, the slope we solve is 8 over 3. X minus x sub 1 assigned is negative 2. Negative times negative is positive. So we have y plus 6 is equal to 8 over 3. Negative times negative is x plus 2. To solve or to remove 3, what shall we do is we will multiply both sides by 3. So multiply both sides by 3. So that 3 is cancelled. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 6 is 18. 8 times x is equal to 8x. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Since we are getting its standard form, its form is ax plus by is equal to c. C is referring to the constant. So x is first, so we have negative 8x plus 3y equals 16. Then transpose 18 will become negative. So we have negative 8x plus 3y. 16 minus 18 equals negative 2. Since in algebra, sometimes we are avoiding negative on the first term, so what we will do is, we will multiply both sides by negative 1. So negative times negative is positive. Negative times positive 3y is minus 3y. Negative times negative 2 is positive 2. So this is our equation of the line in standard form that passes through negative 2 and negative 6 and 1 and 2. As usual, let us do the one-step solution. Its formula, y minus y sub 1 is equal to, instead of m, write its formula, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiply to x minus x sub 1. Again, the y sub 1 assigned is negative 6 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 is 2 minus negative 6 all over 1 minus negative 3 multiply to x minus x sub 1 assigned is negative 2. Y negative times negative is positive. Negative is 8. As usual, it is 3. Negative times negative is x plus 2. To remove, again 3, what we will do is multiply both sides by 3. So we have 3y plus 18 is equal to, 3 is cancelled, 8 times x is 8x, 8 times 2 is 16. Since we are looking for standard form ax plus by equals c, so we have negative 8x. 3y will not be transposed, so just copy 3y equals 16. 18 will be transposed to the right, so minus 18. Negative 8x plus 3y equals negative 2. As I said before, avoid negative on the first term, so multiply it by negative 1. So we have positive 8x minus 3y. Negative times negative is positive. Again, as you see, they are on the same, but the process is different.